Do you enjoy switching between your inbox, your calendar and Pipedrive all day long, copying and pasting data? Neither do I. It's 2026. Stop working like a robot. Today, I will show you how to synchronize your email and calendar with Pipedrive in minutes, so you never miss a meeting or a message again. I'm Tom from Dávame, helping you work smarter, not harder. Need more help? The link for a free consultation is in the description. But now, let's synchronize. The synchronization feature can be found in the personal preferences. So you go there and let's start with calendar synchronization. You just add your account and just start synchronization. You can choose between one-way synchronization or two-way synchronization. One-way is the option when you want to send some activities from Pipedrive to your calendar. Two-way synchronization, you can choose when you want your colleagues to see your availability when they plan an activity in Pipedrive for you. You define also if your private events should be visible in Pipedrive. Then you define what type of activity in Pipedrive should be assigned to events that come from your calendar to Pipedrive. And you choose also which activities should be sent from Pipedrive to your calendar. Maybe you don't need to synchronize all your calls and maybe deadlines, emails, and lunches. Then just click Start Synchronization. And that's it. In a minute, you have your calendar synchronized with Pipedrive. Second, and I think most crucial synchronization is the email synchronization. Pipedrive is an amazing tool that can really synchronize email messages, email communication within deals. So first, just go there and start synchronization. This feature is available for Growth, Premium, and Ultimate plans. And you can synchronize 1, 3, or even 5 email addresses. So first of all, you choose your personal account. You define the visibility of emails. I recommend shared visibility. It means that emails that are somehow connected to contacts or to deals in Pipedrive will be visible also to your colleagues. If you write emails with your granny and your granny is not in your Pipedrive because you don't do business with your granny, then nobody will see your communication between you and her. But if there is any other business partner you contact via email, then it will be logged in Pipedrive and your colleagues will see the communication. Set up also the history of email communication you want to synchronize in Pipedrive. You can synchronize up to 2 years backwards. And that's it. Now you have your calendar and email synchronized. Easy peasy. No more missed activities, no more lost emails. You have just saved yourself hours of work every week. Question is, what will you do with that extra time? If you want to use it to close more deals, go to davame.com. Link below. Get your free trial, book a consultation, and let's take your business to the next level. Help us on our mission to be the #1 Pipedrive partner by hitting like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Thomas out.